Hi, my name's Karen Stone, and I'm a licensed real estate broker. So some tips that I like to share with renters start with being prepared for your rental search. I always recommend doing this before you come to the city or well before you actually start your search. Being prepared could mean the difference of getting the apartment and not getting the apartment. So definitely collect the important paperwork, your letter of employment, your bank statement, pay stubs, tax return, photo ID. And if you have a guarantor, they need the same paperwork. So definitely spend some time preparing for this, and then you can really focus on your actual apartment search. The next tip that I like to share is to come with all of the key decision makers. If you can't lease an apartment without your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your roommates, your parents seeing it first, I recommend that you bring all of these people all at the same time when you go out for the first time, not 2 days later, because let's face it, the apartment might already get taken. And the next one is to be adaptable. Keep in mind that leases can start at the beginning of the month, they can start in the middle of the month, and the landlord may require you to start the lease a little bit earlier than you're planning. But keep in mind that this might be a difference of 5 to 10 days. Is that worth having the apartment or not having the apartment? That's for you to decide. But I always recommend that if you see something that you love, definitely jump on it.